Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5 update might be the biggest game-changer Android has seen in years, not just for Galaxy users, but for how Android skins are developed across the board. This isn't some minor patch or routine upgrade. According to fresh leaks, One UI 8.5 is about to redefine what it means to own a Samsung device, both visually and under the hood. And here's what makes it groundbreaking. It's going to be based on Android 16 QPR2, a quarterly platform release that most Android manufacturers completely skip. Usually, Samsung and other brands use the very first stable release of Android to build their custom skins. For example, One UI 7 was built on Android 15, and One UI 8 came from the first release of Android 16. But this time, Samsung is breaking the pattern. By basing One UI 8.5 on Android 16 QPR2, Samsung is taking a huge leap forward. This means Galaxy users will get Google's newest Android features faster than ever, often at the same time Pixel phones get them. That's a big deal because typically, these quarterly updates roll out to Pixel devices first, while everyone else waits months, sometimes an entire year, for those same features. But this new shift shows Samsung is done waiting. They're ready to move in sync with Google's own update cycle. Now, why is this happening? Earlier this year, Samsung officially announced that it's adopting Google's trunk-stable development model. In simple terms, this means Samsung engineers now work alongside Google in real time while new Android features are being developed. So when Google finalizes something, Samsung can integrate it right away. No delays, no waiting for the next big Android release. And now, with One UI 8.5 built directly on Android 16 QPR2, it's clear Samsung's new update strategy is already in full motion. According to reliable leaks, the One UI 8.5 firmware uses SDK version 3.1 and a build ID that directly matches Android 16 QPR2. This isn't just speculation. It's confirmed through multiple development builds. The update is rumored to launch alongside the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026, setting the stage for a major software revolution. Now, let's break down what this means for everyday Galaxy users. In the past, when Google rolled out its quarterly updates, features like advanced security tools or new customization options would take months to arrive on non-Pixel phones. Take Identity Check, for example, a powerful feature introduced in Android 15 QPR, one that stops thieves from resetting or misusing a stolen phone, even if they know your passcode. Most Android brands skipped that release entirely, leaving users unprotected until later updates. But now, with One UI 8.5 running on Android 16 QPR2, those important features will land on Samsung devices almost immediately. You won't have to wait months or a full Android cycle to get new security layers, system upgrades, or interface refinements. So what can we expect from One UI 8.5 in terms of actual features? Based on what's already been spotted in Android 16 QPR2 beta versions, here's what could be coming to Galaxy phones. First up, the user interface and system experience. Expect an expanded dark theme, more powerful icon theming, new lock screen widgets, and smoother device migration tools. Samsung is also working on native step tracking integration through Health Connect, better haptic feedback controls, and new quick settings tile categories for faster access. In the media and audio department, Samsung might include new HDR and SDR brightness sliders, improved personal audio sharing, and enhanced HDR brightness management, giving users more control over visual and sound performance. Then there's security and privacy, one of Samsung's strongest areas. Android 16 QPR2 introduces stronger USB protection, improved parental controls, and a brand new secure lock device feature that tightens security even when your phone is offline. The Identity Check system is also expanding to protect more apps, giving you another layer of safety from data theft or misuse. And that's not all. For developers and power users, One UI 8.5 may bring support for graphical apps in the Linux terminal, early compatibility warnings, and better multi-display testing tools. These might sound technical, but they all translate to smoother performance and fewer bugs for users down the road. Of course, Samsung won't adopt every single feature from Google's QPR2 build. Some things overlap with Samsung's own custom features. For example, Samsung already has advanced lock screen widgets and theme customization tools, so those might